Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava in an air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 pound of phyllo dough, 2 cups of mixed nuts, and 1 cup of melted butter. Remember to thaw your phyllo dough in the refrigerator overnight for easier handling. Next, finely chop your nuts, such as pistachios or walnuts, to create a delicious filling. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking process. Now, let's assemble our baklava. Take 1 sheet of phyllo dough and brush it generously with melted butter. Layer about 10 sheets, brushing each one, before spreading 1/3 of your prepared nut mixture evenly over the top. Repeat this process 2 more times, creating 3 distinct nut layers. Finally, layer another 10 buttered phyllo sheets on top and carefully cut the entire tray into traditional diamond or square shapes before cooking. It's time to air fry your baklava. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place the cut baklava pieces into the air fryer basket in a single layer, ensuring they don't overlap. Air fry for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the baklava turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes wonderfully crispy. Keep a close eye on it to prevent overbrowning, as air fryer times can vary slightly. While your baklava is air frying, prepare a simple syrup by combining 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a squeeze of lemon juice in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. Once the baklava is hot out of the air fryer, immediately pour the warm syrup over it. Let it sit for at least 2 hours to fully absorb the sweetness. Garnish with extra chopped nuts and enjoy your homemade, crispy baklava.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.